Hi, my name is Avdut Lakshman Adkurkar. Today's date is 30th January 2025 and today's topic is method overriding in Java. Method overriding occur when the subclass define a methods that in the same name that return types and the parameters has the method in the superclass that provide the own implementations for it. Main purpose of the method overriding is the um, modify or the extend the behaviors of the inheritance methods along the subclasses in the specific implementation without changing the subclasses code. The concept of the inheritance by overriding methods subclass can be inheritance of the common behaviors from the parent classes while offering customized behavior when necessary. This concept and this concept is the use the method is significant in the method subclass must have the same names return types and the parameters. It is the method superclass. There are also access modifier in the method overriding units. The method access modifier is used to override method in the subclass should be not is the one of the superclass. For example, superclass method is the public. The overriding methods in the subclass must also the uh, public. It is have the return type. The return type overriding is method can be subclass of the return that is the superclass. For instance, if you superclass methods return the subclass methods can return in the object that type is for example dogs, external animals. Next to the exception handling of the subclass method cannot throw the checked exception that is the method in the superclass. It can be the other exception subclass of the exception declared by the superclass method. However, it is the performance for the subclass method through. However, is the no explanations for the superclass methods. Final methods are also used in the cannot use the override because when the final is declared we cannot override the method. In static method also is not subject to overrides. It is a method static is the superclass is represented in the subclass. It is known as the method hidings, not overriding the method. It is called based on the reference type of not actual object type. Importance of the method overrides. First one is the runtime polymorphism. Method overriding is the circular polymorphism in Java. When the subclass overriding methods, it is superclass can decide the at the runtime version of the methods. Call based on the actual object type. This is allowed to the flexibility of the dynamic behaviors. Code reusability is the overriding the subclasses to receive code from the superclass while still providing the specific customized behavior. This code is the reusability and the where the few can be added without the altering to the original code. Clearing and the more maintenance code. Through methods, overriding complete the logical can the into the smaller specific classes in the code, maintaining manipulated by the by using the more general code superclass while the specific behavior in the subclass. Next, dynamic method dispatch. Dynamic method dispatch is the refer the process which is Java determine which is method to call runtime based on the actual based type of the reference type. This is one of the primary key methods in return polymorphism. The method overriding when the methods is called when the reference variable of the variable is type of the Java check the actual object types of runtime inverse overridings methods in the subclasses present in the allow to dynamic dispatch of the method overriding. If the method overriding is the most specific version of the methods, that is why for a subclass refer the variable to the point subclasses object and still involve the students subclasses version of the methods. Method overriding is the involves define the multiple methods in the same without the same name different parameters. This all are information of the method overriding. Thank you.